and today I'm here celebrating with Denver Broncos fans, tailgating. You guys, this is outrageous. Denver Bronco fans know how to party, so I want to show you what it's all about. First, let's talk about food and drinks. The food and drinks here when it comes to tailgating, and here we have a Bloody Mary setup because you need some cocktails to party. But Brenda, show me, what is this all about? You guys go all out for these tailgates.
Yeah, it's been a
What
process.
did you guys make?
Well, so every tailgate we try and do a theme. We try sometimes to base it on whatever team we're playing. So today we're playing against the Houston Texans. So we have a mini street taco
bar.
Oh. So we have carne asadas, we have some chicken fajitas, we have al pastor, we have rice and beans, and then of course you have to have all of the snacks that go along with it.
Oh my gosh. Well, no wonder you guys have a big crowd, because if you feed them, they are going to come.
Yeah,
this is amazing.
So awesome. We actually have people who come just to tailgate with us and don't actually even go into the game. They're here for the tailgate, and then they go home to enjoy the game in warm environment. Today it's a little bit cold. So.
Yeah, well, it's a gorgeous day today. It's perfect, warm football weather.
Yes.
So it's beautiful. This is delicious. I can't wait to dig in. So you got this amazing decked out space. What is this?
We had a motorcycle trailer that wasn't being used, so we decided that we would convert it for our tailgates instead of setting up shade tents everywhere. So we have built it over time. We've added some taps to it, some integrated speakers for music.
Wow.
And then inside we've got a television that we can keep tabs on other NFL games going on, as well as a little bar on the inside.
Amazing. I bet you guys get some serious attention with this baby right here. Show me what you got going on over here. Well, this is seriously toasty over here. What do you have got going on?
Yeah, well, Denver gets cold, so on cold weather days, we like to bring out the heater and warm our fellow tailgaters up so that they're warm when they're watching the football games on the TV back here.
Awesome. I love this little AstroTurf. You guys seriously go all out. I'm nice and warm, but guess what I want? A beer. Let's go get a beer.
All right, salud. Go Broncos.
Remember, King Soopers is your one-stop shop for everything Broncos. Go Broncos! Let's play some cornhole. Go! Oh yeah! King Soopers is your one-stop shop for everything Broncos.